want y'all to comment below y'all favorite way of eating saltfish. There's so many different ways you can make saltfish, right? You can use it in a fritters. You can cook it up by itself. You can cook it up with macaroni like we already know. Can cook it with baked beans and all and something like that. So comment below your favorite way of eating saltfish in the comments below. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Bro. I'll cover that a second for you. Hey guys, so welcome back. It's been a minute, hasn't it? So, but we back. A lot of changes going on, you know, a lot of moving up and down. But we'll get into that in another video. But today on the menu, let's see what we got going on today, Chef Ro.
Well, today I'll do some wild dumpling with saltfish and macaroni. So all of you who have tried that before, drop it in the comment section. I don't know, it's saltfish and macaroni with dumpling.
Yes, nice. So you say it depends today, the cool?
Depend the cool, saltfish and macaroni with dumpling on the cool.
Yes, nice.
On the cool.
Yeah, like Rose said, comment down below if you've ever had saltfish and macaroni and dumpling. That's some bad style in the stew.
The elbow macaroni. I'm going to show you what I'm
Yeah, you soon see it. Yes. So, I don't know. Good eating soon come. Alright guys, so the fire boom, you know. I know.
There's the saltfish there. Black seasonings. With the black onion. Elbow macaronis. Not on what you like, but if they want to sponsor it.
What Jamaican can do is telling people. Nothing wrong with a little self-plug.
A little curry.
Mm-hmm.
Can't tell this myself. When you see about Clark never did say nothing to you.
True.
I go see it and after then see how it big now. Then say, oh, I have to go sponsor Carter, you know, because you both will sale and things. So if they like see, the thing I go up and the sales are boost, you know, say I win.
Yeah.
Cut to a check it.
Yeah, but I quite then don't know. Yeah, that's what I mean. Don't want. Alright, so
all of the ingredients there.
yes.
Yeah, these two.
I know guys, this is not dirty. No, nobody a chat out their mouth.
Yeah,
it's just old. And stained tiles. So yeah, so I was seasoning it. Alright y'all, so we got the macaroni. And we not making macaroni and cheese. So we have the macaroni upon the fire. That one. Yeah. Saltfish and macaroni. Remember, you saw it here first. More than likely. Alright y'all. Now it's a party in here. Alright y'all, so now it's a party. We got the saltfish in the pot. And yes. Tail on and everything. So looking good so far. Coal fire life. Alright y'all, so I want y'all to comment below y'all favorite way of eating saltfish. There's so many different ways you can make saltfish, right? You can use it in a fritters. You can cook it up by itself. You can cook it up with macaroni like we already know. You can cook it with baked beans and all and something like that. So comment below your favorite way of eating saltfish in the comments below. Let me know if you've ever had saltfish. Like, if you're not Jamaican and this is not a part of your culture, let me know if you've ever had it. Spanish people call it bacalao. So if you've ever had bacalao or saltfish, as we call it here in Jamaica, let me know. If you're a Jamaican and you don't like saltfish, also let me know too. Like, just because you're Jamaican, that doesn't mean you have to like saltfish, right? So let me know if you are a Jamaican and you don't like saltfish and why in the comments below. Alright y'all, so it is boiling down. It's a bubble. Bubble pata bubble. So this is what we're working with right now. You can't even see the saltfish again, except for the tail and the macaroni. Soon get a stir. Alright y'all, so here's what we got here. So we got the dough. We got, you know, boiled dumpling. We got the scotch bonnet, thyme, tomato, garlic, scallion, and onion. So yeah, that's all going in with the saltfish. So yeah. Alright y'all, it's dumpling time. So this guy right here.
Respect.
Why you bending down like that? Like no,
yeah, put this in over me and nobody could see me.
Here he is. This guy is needing some dumpling. Look at those beautiful dumplings. So then they are going in your pot right now. Yummy dumplings. Alright guys, so the dumpling them must stir up. You see how them get hot already, guys? Kid you not, they've only been on the fire for like how long you would have said in the fire, bro?
Like 6 minutes now.
Yeah.
The dumpling take long to boil, like dumpling take like 7 minutes, 5 to 7 minutes to boil.
Yeah.
Honest. Alright guys, so once I see them float, it means they done cook. And just some of them start float, it means they done cook.
Yes. On coal fire.
Yeah man.
See them so with sweet.
Yeah, this part what making dumpling that they need in, like make the flour, make the dough. But other than that it's easy. Couple of minutes and you're done. Flour ready.
Yeah. Good to go.
Yeah.
What? Looking good already. Alright guys, so this is what the macaroni is looking like. You see how it's nice and fluffy? Oh, see, piece of saltfish still live in there. But it no matter because I cook up.
Yeah, everything
see saltfish there, rip apart. And like I said, don't mind the markings, they're just stains, got a tile top.
On the kitchen.
Yeah, a tile top. On the veggies. So this are gonna get sauteed up right now.
Everything up.
Yeah, the medley. So yes.
Alright, so the vegetable in here. Yeah. And the pot kind of tilt because of the coal. Anybody know about coal fire? No, so I say go more of that. Alright guys, so this is the curry I'm going to burn, and this is the curry. And the pot kind of slant because of the coal. The coal is not set good because it's not finished up right now, you know. And where's it? Infuse, no infuse, where are they?
I infuse it. Whatever. Yeah. Oh, are you okay?
Move.
How would you that try manifest it? Nothing?
And I get it in a can, I take it up and I make so fuck it. No, I'm not a joke. You think I joke? I big piece of fucking sausage shop with them. I'm not saying I want this in a pot. Alright, let's season up right now with chicken seasoning, they got all purpose, the jerk seasoning with the pepper seed and the pimento seed and the black pepper. So that's what you see on the top of this right now. I'm gonna throw it off now this. Dump it off. Then I will see it get curry now. You never see this curry yet. You have seen in the comments.
Yeah. Yeah, drop that because that's another unique twist to it, you know. The curry pot with the saltfish, curry saltfish. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, drop it down in the comments below if you've ever had curry saltfish. It's one of the best things I've ever eaten. But there's curry coconut and there's just this regular curry. I love both of them. But if you're too lazy or you can't really afford the coconut milk, because we all know that coconut milk is a bit on the pricey side, especially organic coconut milk. Girl, boy, regular curry is it. It's doing it. So yeah. And shout out to the person that put me on this guy right here. Never had a curry saltfish until I came here. So yeah. Greedy 1 and 2. Hello. Guys, he's a powerful manifester, this one with the blonde. Yes. He was staring. Chef was not pleased with him. He was eyeing the piece of saltfish for the longest time. The man make the saltfish drop like in the guys.
Manifest too much, manifest hard, man. Manifest the saltfish. Oh, man. Watching, say I pre-day. I look for it all the way to the unit.
Alright, y'all, so the cooking is complete. And let's see what's going on. It smells not good. Oh, spoiler alert. Guess what we ended up doing? Oh gosh. Alright, I was gonna say comment below and tell me, but Ro clearly told you the answer just now, so. Yes, we've infused it. What else is new? I don't want to spice up the food, people. So we put some weed in there. And I'm not taste it yet, but Ro claims that it's firing and it's moving. It's strong, so I'm excited. Alright, so I'm gonna show y'all what it's looking like. Yeah, guys, so here are the beautiful results. Yeah, plate 1 and plate 2. So yeah, so this is dinner in a nutshell. And I normally cook.
Hey guys, so this is it. Well, I see the food already from the kitchen.
Yes, so it's yumming time.
Yeah, okay, then they closer to the light, that's why it feels so bright, you know? They closer to the the room light.
And I try getting the cool brightness time. I'm gonna say no. Right. Yeah, guys. So, alright, so
yeah, that's what they're fixing. Alright, so yeah, guys.
Yeah.
I didn't know, lighting look a little better. Alright, so this a kicking already. Me did taste it already, guys. Like 2 of the noodles them. That's why I know so it a kick. And you know, either one never even infuse it because they did that one if they do it or not.
That's why. Tell them why.
I never know if that was strong.
Oh, I'm gonna make some go for you guys if it not work. Rose says it works, so yeah.
That work?
I mean, it might be infused master chef too, so don't be surprised if you see this guy in the headlines with Jamaica's first top infused cuisine chef. Guys, swearing bad banting, guys. If you guys are interested in that thing and like ever want to do like a weed infused party or catering services, hire him.
Yeah.
Bam.
Hire us.
Hire us. Yes, hire us. Can't do my thing too, you know, guys, but cooking are more raw passion. Like, I'm really like passionate about cooking. That's why I did say hire him at first. But I like serve people. I'm like see people happy, especially with things we mean it too. So yeah, if you want to try a thing, hire one up. Sure.
Nah, very good. Sure.
Yeah. Number 1, you gotta have such a good time. Number 2, the food I gotta lick you away. Number 3, you gotta be the talk of the town. You gotta be the talk of the town for many months and years to come. Because everybody gotta have such a good time. And the food I gotta taste delicious. Delicious. So I'm too busy at home. I'm going to get them food and tell them what it's going with. I know it's a nice food. Oh. What do I say to me? Come on.
Get it from before. I tell you, I'm try it from before, you know?
Yeah.
I feel this stuff.
Yeah. It's something bad. A little pepperish, but you know, spice good. Spice is good. Spice is good for your respiratory system and everything, fat burning, everything.
And your colon. If I really clean your colon.
I'm not eat it yet. You eat it? Last time I should eat this, we took a, you know, we used to plant, it's a plant. Just like how you would eat a piece of thyme or rosemary or scallion or something, and still an herb. It's just a psychedelic herb, that's the only difference. It'll be a psychedelic effect. Alright, this is how we do. Oh my god! What's it only on noodles?
Guys, it's crazy.
It's mad. This is so good. But you never see them try it. After this, I'll wash it down with some nice fruit punch, champagne and ginger syrup. I'm a Jamaican. Y'all know about the syrup game.
Syrup, mad.
Syrup is life in Jamaica. Syrup is life.
Hey, syrup in America. Never get no syrup.
Syrup
Oh
America,
yeah.
you know,
That's one in a bulk bucket. Not the like package bucket.
Yeah, but nobody don't really fool on them unless them.
Come from Jamaica.
Yeah, exactly.
I remember the strawberry syrup is true.
And they have cherry up there too. I think they're supposed to have all the flavor them, you know. Especially like West Indian market them. Yeah. But we don't have cows, we only have grace.
Yeah, I saw that little brand.
Yeah.
I remember seeing them.
They need cows in America. You need cows. Like fuck the Kool-Aid, get some cows. Cow syrup.
That's what you know called.
That's just it.
This thing I did get the syrup and I don't know where black is.
Not cows.
Black one tastes good enough, but I don't know where you
It's because there's water down.
I see. Okay, I'm not like use them.
Yeah, and it's not really the syrup, not really. I don't know, it do something to the flavor of syrup, yeah, man. That man
So guys, when you go from mother shop from the other day, and you never reach because she never up there, right? And she have employees and everything there, but she run a shop. They sell like the right syrup for one, the colors. So yeah, next time, definitely I need to try it.
Yeah. Yeah, but it was what's that on here? But I'm quenching my thirst right now.
I think she will sell it cheaper than the other shop. That's the truth.
And it's cows, guys. Cows. Okay. Cows, hey, hi. It's your biggest, well, I don't know if I'm your biggest consumer, but love Cows products. Cows, if you'd like to work with Roké TV, don't hesitate to reach out. Shameless plug. Guys, I will forever do shameless plugs on this thing. You never know unless you try. You gotta put yourself out there, okay?
Yeah, honestly,
put yourself out there.
A collab with Cows right now, that'd be so fucking good.
Yes.
I don't care what you want. We want collab with Cows.
Yes, and Lasco. We have something like every
Lasco.
other day we're buying Lasco. Lasco,
yeah.
one.
Like Cows and Lasco, we need to sponsor almost every day we buy a product.
Yes.
And it's not just one product, we buy like a bunch of products.
Yes. So Cows and Lasco, please, if you'd like to work with us, please reach out. That would be amazing.
Put some money in our pocket, Cows and Lasco.
And not to mention, I mean, we're great representatives because we islanders, hello, we're here, we're ready. Just reach out to us. Roké TV, what's up? can sponsor our little outings, our camping outings with cow syrup.
We're not wait for to reach out to me, man. We reach out to the first.
Manifesting cows in Lasco in this video. You heard it first. That deal is going to come to fruition, guys. Just watch all the mind go off. Watch. What is it, Ro?
Of course.
Whoa, you can't wait for people to reach out to you and people. Or even whether it's a job.
You can't wait for life. You have to just attack life. You can't wait for it to come. Oh, life will meet me.
I have become magically fun and you're like, you know what, so sometimes.
Yeah, sometimes, but for most of you have to attack life. You have to take it dead on. Like, you want this.
Grab it by the hands.
And life no wait for nobody, man. That me learn. That me learn from my journey.
It's true. It's true. Well, guys, dinner is amazing. I'm gonna lie to you. I'm gonna hold you.
Oh, let's go, come on.
Oh yeah, leftovers for breakfast. Nothing sweeter than the food you cooked the night before, like the evening before, when you have to eat it. I'm like,
Mud.
I want different set of food I eat and people. But the goddamn time they see them a percolate overnight and I said, wow! And that's one of my favorites. I'm a slow nerd show it. Rosa, where's my chop banana? I don't know. So I wrap this up. Right, Ro?
Yeah, wrap this up.
Next time we show no pickles. Pickles are chew. Chili Americano. He's so cute, guys. Pickles is our Indian pancake pigeon.
Yeah, we showed him already on the channel, but it was him and him mate, and then he mate then left him, so now I'm alone. So sad, but I'm actually more comfortable by himself, I have more space, he can flap out the window and everything.
Yeah.
You look way more comfy now.
Yeah.
Than before. And he made you to bully him too. So maybe
yeah, she was a little mean. What? No, he liked her. Look like Pickles like mean girls. Like some man. Some man like me no man. But
I think I know Pickles first. I'm really frustrated.
I heard. Well, Pickles attorney said that I am not speaking the truth, so I have to listen to his attorney. Alright guys, so thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment.
Yes.
And
tell a friend and share. You know?
Yeah, share this video obviously and let us know what you want to see on the next video. Like, you want us cooking at the river, beach side. Like, we already have those in the works anyways, but just let us know what you want to see next. Seaside cooking or riverside cooking.
Cooking on the beach. You know?
Yeah.
That's definitely gonna come, so just stay tuned for that.
Yeah, so love you guys. Thank you so much for supporting the channel and sharing it and liking it, and like it up. It goes so far. It helps us tremendously, puts us on the algorithm, you know, helps us with the views, you know. So rack it up, stack it up. So
yeah, man, I always start the live food for cooking.
Yeah.
So just stay tuned to all of them things.
Yeah, so peace out guys, and one love.